Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive on Fort Augusta Drive in Portmore, Jamaica. And this road is more, well, it's also called Back Road, and I think more people might know it by that name. Okay, straight ahead is that tall building that used to be a hotel, but it's now an apartment building. I think it's, I don't remember the name, Bay something, Bay Villas, but there are townhouses on the same compound. I want to thank the subscriber who left a comment telling us what was up with that building. It was a hotel back in the day, but it closed down and it's now operated as apartments. Okay, the name of it is Bayfront Villas and Apartments. Bayfront Villas and Apartments. And down here we had done a tour down here, and there was a restaurant that we couldn't remember the name of, so we want to thank a subscriber for leaving a comment. The name of the restaurant is Rodney's Ark. Very popular restaurant. Straight ahead where you see those, I guess, the stone building, where you straight ahead, that's Rodney's Ark. So thanks guys for leaving that information in the comment section. And I see the road it's in the same state it was the last time we came down here. So you know, to come to this restaurant, the food must be good for people to be always driving on these bad roads. But I've eaten here before and the food is really nice. It was a long time ago, and it has a very nice view. Very nice view. Okay, we're just going to head back now to continue our tour, our back road. And strangely enough, Portmore doesn't have any hotel. Not, I mean, like large hotel, like the one that the size of that building. Very strange. I guess it's not really a tourist attraction. But there's Hellshire Beach, which is very popular, but maybe it's more popular with Jamaicans than foreigners. But Hellshire is well known for the food, especially the fried fish. Okay, on the right is the entrance to the Bayfront Villas and Apartments. Okay, so we're going to go back onto Fort Augusta Drive now. And Fort Augusta Drive is like the entertainment spot, and one of the entertainment spots in Portmore. It has a lot of restaurants, a lot of bars. It actually has a lot of small hotels, but nothing compared to the size of the building we just looked at. Alright, so this is Fort Augusta Drive now, and it's called Back Road, I guess because of the entertainment that happens out here. There's a certain part of the road where you have like a red light district. I think that's why it's called, I'm not sure if that's why it's called Back Road, but that's the name most people know it by. Okay, so out here is like a fishing village now. On the right you see the coolers where the fishermen come in. Their boats are right behind those buildings and they sell fish. And then here now, on the left and the right, you're going to find a lot of restaurants. That one is Jolly's. And you can get really nice food over here. Morgan's Inn. Some very popular food spots. There was a lot of bars too. That looks like a small hotel. So in terms of entertainment, like food, this area and Hellshire are probably the most popular ones in Portmore. Most popular places to get food in Portmore. There's a fishing village on the left. Or this road also takes you back to the highway, so it's another way of entering Portmore. If you don't want to go through the town center, you can take this road. Maybe that's why they call it back road. It's the back way into Portmore also. If anybody knows why this road has the nickname back road, you can let us know in the comment section. Alright, so if we go straight ahead, you can see the signs for the highway. We go back on to the Portmore Expressway, and we can head in both directions. But we're going to turn back around because we don't want to go back on the highway. We're just going to take another tour from this end. So now we're heading back to, we will continue now, we go back to the Port Henderson Road and the George D. Boulevard roundabout. So that's the fishing village on the left. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the tour of back road. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Have a good day.